When Prabhupada started in 1966,
Yeah, that is also there.
but it was, no, that's very much there. That was he tried, it didn't work. Then he said 32, it didn't work, so he said, okay, 16. So that standard for ISKCON is 16.
Yeah, that's what you have mentioned, and also that is the standard. That should be the standard.
The main thing is non-aparad, no aparads. Mostly, people spend whole lifetime in aparads.
Even if it is 16 or 64 or 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, whatever it is, but
No, what is told in our Shastra, the more we chant the holy name, the better it is. The more rounds, the better, because eventually the holy name will be merciful to us and accept us, because we're trying. It's not that, oh, I'm such an offender, I'll just chant 16 rounds and be an offender and hope for some mercy. No, chant more rounds and still be an offender, and you'll probably increase your chances to get more mercy. The chanting rounds means, when you're chanting rounds, you're spending time with Krishna. No mobile, this, that. It has to be proper chanting. Mobile turned off completely. No messages, silent, this, that, turned off. Otherwise, it's nowhere. Krishna's, the whole thing is Bhava Grahi Janardhan. Bhava Grahi Janardhan. It's all about attitude. The heart and the mind, the attitude. Because bhakti means ladani and samvit.